Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the PC so animated wallpaper actually runs. You need a capable GPU and low background load, so close heavy apps before proceeding. Once ready, install a trusted wallpaper player like Wallpaper Engine or Lively from the store. These handle formats, performance tuning, and startup behavior. Make sure to grant the app any necessary permissions and disable overlays that can block rendering. After installation, open the player and go straight to the Import or Featured Gallery to pick your first animated file. Now configure the wallpaper to balance looks and performance. Import the asset type you prefer, MP4, GIF, or HTML5 scenes, and the player will index it. You should immediately adjust FPS and resolution scale to match your monitor and GPU. Lower one to improve performance, raise for clarity. Once done, set behavior like pause on full screen to avoid interference with games and enable audio visualization or mouse parallax only if you need interactivity. These choices control CPU/GPU use and visual smoothness, so tweak and preview changes. Finish by making the setup persistent and recoverable. Turn on Run-On Login so the wallpaper launches with Windows, and export your profile or scene collection so you can restore settings after updates. Test by locking and unlocking the screen, and by launching a game to confirm pause on full screen works. If you encounter stutter or crashes, first update GPU drivers, next lower the wallpaper resolution or FPS, or disable hardware acceleration in the player. That troubleshooting step resolves most performance and compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.